So we're going to look at these problems again. The first time we did this, we just went over and up. We were looking at the run and the rise, and we take the rise of the run, and we get the slope. So we want to look at the horizontal change and the vertical change. On the second one, we're actually going to look back at this equation and pretend that we didn't have these graphs. So pretend we were just given these points, and how might we find that from those points? And we can do that algebraically by looking at the change in y over the change in x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. What we're really doing is looking at what's the vertical change here from this point to this point, and then what's the horizontal change from this point to this point. And by looking at both of those, we can see how much it's gone up. So in this case, when we look at the change in y, it's going from 2 to 4. And so we know that it's a change of 2, 4 to 2, right? 4 minus 2 is 2, and so that's what we can see vertically changed. And from horizontally changed, we can see it goes from 2 to 5. That's a change of 3. So really all we're doing is seeing that it's confirmed that it's gone over 3 and up 2. And so that is the slope. Again here, in the second problem, we're going to know it's going to be negative because it's looking at it going downwards left to right. But again, if we didn't know that, we could calculate it. And so the slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So here's my second, here's my first, here's my second x, here's my first x. So in this case, in our y's, it's going from 4 to 2. So change in y is 2 minus 4. And change in x is going from 1 to 4, so that's a change in 3. So again, going from 4 to 2, it's actually going down 2. And going from 4 to 1, it's going up, it's going over 3. So again, our slope would be a negative 2/3.